Easy Tribe. Yeah, it's digital's definitely here for Nomine. Yeah, I just want to ask you a question. Have you ever thought why the hell someone like Goldie and then someone like Ronnie Size are playing on the same night in the same city? Don't promoters talk? I mean, what's up with that? Don't you want to see Goldie one night and Ronnie Size the next night or something? Don't you think they should talk a bit more unity? This whole thing was built on unity. The whole music thing is meant to be a togetherness thing. Surely people are losing money. They don't want to lose money. Are they losing money on purpose? Surely not. I don't really know what to say about that, to be honest. But what are your thoughts on that? Personally, I think as a music thing, we should all come together. For example, in London, there's a website called Clashmouth, a little Facebook thing for the London promoters, and it all helps out. So yeah, think about that. Easy. Peace.